Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed about the mensuration and some of the certain formulas we have discussed which you have to keep in your minds. And in exercise 14.1 I think question number 1 we have done. So from today we will start with the question number 2. In question number 2 it is given, find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. The first one is given, a triangle of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. In the previous video, we know the meaning of perimeter. Perimeter is equals to the length of its boundary. Okay. So, in the first part of question number 2, it is given, a triangle has 3 sides. The first one is given 3 cm, second one 4 cm and third one 6 cm. As we all know, when we have to find the perimeter, then we have to add all the sides which are mentioned here. So, for this question, we have the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 6 cm. The answer will be 30 cm. Okay. The next second part. A triangle of sides 7 cm, 5.4 cm and 10.2 cm is given. First of all, write it down in your fair copies. Then we will move on to the second part. Okay. In the second part, it is given a triangle which is having a sides 7 cm, 5.4 cm and 10.2 cm. Okay, so again, perimeter is equals to 10.2 cm plus 7 cm and 5.2 cm. Then we have to add, we will get 22.6 cm. Write it down. Then the third part is given, equilateral triangle of side 11 cm. So in this case, perimeter of equilateral triangle we have to find it out. So we have the formula also, that is 3 into length of its side, or we can add the sides also. So in the third part, side is given 11 cm. So, if we have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, we have the formula 3 into length of its side. Okay. So, side is given what? 11 cm. So, 3 into 11 cm is equals to 32 cm. Note it down. Then, the fourth part is given, an isosceles triangle with equal sides 10 cm each and third side 7 cm. In the case of isosceles triangle, we have two sides equal and one side will be unequal. So, the fourth part in the case of fourth part, 10 centimeter. If one side is given 10 centimeter, then another side will also be 10 centimeter, and the third side is given 7 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. It will be is equals to 27 centimeter. Note it down in your fair copies. Then the next question is given. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? In this question, see, the last part is asking that what is the length of the tape required. Length is asking, and we know perimeter is equals to length of its boundary. So moving to the third question. In the third question, rectangular box is given of size 40 cm by 10 cm. First of all, we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. It is already given length is equals to 40 cm and breadth is equals to 10 cm. So we can put the values also. 2 into, in place of length it will be 40 and in place of breadth it will be 10 cm. Then 2 into 50 centimeter, and we get 2 multiplied 50, 100 centimeter. Now in the question it is asking for the length of the tape required, and we know that perimeter is equals to length of its boundary. So we can write it as, therefore perimeter of rectangle is equals to length of the tape required. Okay, write it down. Then the next question number 4. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Okay, so in this, length is given, breadth is given, and we have to find the perimeter of the tabletop. First we need to convert this into centimeter, because in this question units that are given is different, and firstly we have to convert into the same unit. Now question number 4. Tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, so first we need to convert this into centimeter. Here it is given length 2 meter 25 centimeter. Meter is given, centimeter is given. So this whole we have to convert into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. then 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. And here it is given 2 meter 25 centimeter, so we can write it 200 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. We get the length that is equals to 225 centimeter. Write it down. Then we have to find the breadth. Breadth is equals to 1 meter 50 centimeter, and we know that in place of 1 meter we can also write it as 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. After adding we get 150 centimeter, and we know the formula that is equals to perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So we get length, we are having 225 and breadth 150. After addition we get 2 into 375 centimeters. After multiplication we get 750 centimeter. Again we have to convert into meter and into centimeter. So we will divide it by 100. So we will get 7 meter and 50 centimeter. Write it down. After this, moving to the question number 5. In question number 5 it is given the perimeter of a rectangle is 58 meter. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is given in this question. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 58 meter. Then after, if its length is 17 meter, length is given 17 meter, then we have to find the value of breadth. We know perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So, in place of perimeter of a rectangle, we are having a value that is 58 meter. So, we can write it here 58 meter. Then 2. The value of length is also given, that is 17 meter plus breadth is not given because we have to find the value of breadth. So, now 58 is equals to 2 into length 17 plus breadth. You can divide it by 2. 17 is equals to 17 plus breadth. Let us change the position. 17 plus breadth is equals to 58 by 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 8. Then after 17 plus b is equals to 29 and b is equals to 29 minus 7. It is already given in the positive one, so after interchanging the position, the sign will be changed. So b is equals to 12 meter. Meter is given in the question? Yeah, meter is given. So the unit will be meter. And breadth, we get the value of breadth is equals to what? 12 meter. Then afterwards, question number 6. In question number 6, it is given a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? In this question also we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular piece of land. Length is given, breadth is given. So first of all we have to find the perimeter of this rectangular piece of land. Question number 6. It is given rectangular land in which length is given 0.7 kilometer and breadth is given 0.4. So perimeter of rectangular piece of land is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Then we are having 2 into 0.7 plus 0.4. What we will get after adding 2 into 1.2. Now 2 into 1.2 is equals to 2.4. Now see in your book, it is given what is the length of the wire needed, but before that each side is given to be fenced with the 4 rows of wire. So we have to write it down, fence the land 4 times. Fence the land 4 times. Then therefore perimeter is equals to 4 into 2.4. After multiplication, what we will get? 9.6, and it is given in the kilometer. So it will be kilometer. So next, in the question it is asked the length of the wire needed. So you can write it down. The length of the wire needed is equals to 9.6 kilometer. The length of the wire needed is equals to 9.6 kilometer. Write it down. The next question. In question number 7, it is given find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Hexagon is having 6 sides, with each side measuring 7.5 meter. Side is given 7.5 meter. Side is equals to 7.5 and the unit is given meter. Perimeter of hexagon is equals to 6 into length of its side. Okay, so 6 into side is given 7.5 meter. After multiplication what you will get? 6 into 7.5 will be 45 meter. Write it down. Then the next question. Okay, this was 7 question. Okay, this was 7. Write it down. The next question number 8. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. What is the length of its third side? Two sides are given and we have to find third side. Perimeter is also given. Question number 8. Triangle is given and two sides are given, that is 4 centimeter and 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. We have to find the third side. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equals to, perimeter is given 36 centimeter. We can let the third side be x. We can let the third side be x. We let the third side be x. So perimeter, we have to add all the sides. So perimeter is equals to x plus 12 plus 40. Perimeter is also given up. So in place of perimeter we can write it as 36 is equals to x plus 12 plus. Then after this, is equals to x plus 26. Then x is equals to 36 minus 26. X is equals to 10 centimeter. We get the third side is equals to 10 centimeter. Now rest of the questions we will solve in the next video. Thank you class.